So my today's extempore is on the book which I recently completed. It is written by Nitin A. Gokhale, and it is a biography of Aaron Cow, a spy master gentleman. Aaron Cow was the first director of RAW, Research and Analysis Wing of our country, which is a agency concerned with the external affairs and related to military also. And he was also the founder of NSG, National Security Guard, during the 1980s. Arenkov served in the Intelligence Bureau, but due to the failure of Intelligence Bureau in 1962 and 1965 of not being able to give any input or information about the Chinese or the Pakistani attack, the government felt a need to create a different organization. That's why RAW was created. And since RAW was created from because of the failure of IB, so IB didn't provide any information or any officers to the RAW. So Aaron Cow, as the first director of the RAW, built the organization. In 1968 it was established, and he recruited many officers in the RAW, and those recruited officers were famously known as cowboys. Cow for the fact that Aaron Cow, so cow and boys, cowboys. And the reason he made the finest organization is because many of the uh, people in the intelligence community regarded Iron Cow as a smart person, as an intelligent person, and the reason RAW was able to play a vital role in the forming of the Bangladesh in 1970. That's why it is regarded as a great institution in such a short period of time. And Iron Cow was also responsible for the merging of Sikkim as a 22nd state in the Union of India. And also, one of the most important thing which I believed Aaron Cow did was to convince the Morarji Desai government to not sign into a nuclear treaty by the US, which didn't obligated India to test its nuclear energy experiments. And he is also kind of can be credited indirectly for the formation of our nuclear energy and our nuclear missiles too. Aaron Cow served as a head of security to the Jawaharlal Nehru, and as the first director to the Indira Gandhi of RAW, and as also as a national security advisor to Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. He was regarded as he had a kind of shy and reserved personality, and even after his retirement he wasn't seen in interviews or in public photos. He has very much less photos and interviews available on the internet. The thing which I learned from Aaron Cow was that he served in many different political parties, many different political leaders, and he put the national interest over the political loyalties, which was quite common for many institutions in a country or officers to do. They kind of get involved into politics. They start supporting a particular party. They start working for a particular political party, but it was all neglected by Aaron Cow, and so did RAW. And it is one of the reasons why not much of the leadership of the RAW was changed when a coalition of opposition parties came into power in around 1978, after Indira Gandhi was toppled off the power. So that's one of the biggest thing which I think I can learn is a political stance, to not be biased towards any political party and be neutral, and to put national interest above all. And that's it. Thank you.